Have you ever thought about investing in real estate? It's an intriguing venture that can bring substantial rewards. From fix and flip to buy and hold, wholesale real estate, cash flow rental properties, and short-term rentals, the possibilities are vast. Today we'll delve into these strategies to help you make an informed decision. Ever watched a home makeover show? That's fix and flip in action. It involves purchasing distressed properties, revitalizing them, and selling for a profit. Key factors include thorough market research, accurate cost estimation, and precise property valuation. Although it requires upfront investment and effort, fix and flip can yield high returns if done right. Buy and hold is a long-term game, perfect for those who appreciate steady growth. This strategy involves acquiring properties and retaining them over time, reaping benefits from consistent rental income and potential property value appreciation. Patience is key with buy and hold, but the rewards can be worth the wait. Wholesale real estate is for those who prefer a hands-off approach. This strategy involves entering a contract with a home seller, identifying an eager buyer, and subsequently transferring the contract for a fee. While less risky, wholesale real estate still requires a keen eye for potential deals and strong negotiation skills. Cash flow rental properties and short-term rentals provide continuous income streams. These strategies hinge on renting out properties, offering a consistent cash flow. Traditional long-term rentals offer stability, while short-term vacation rentals can yield higher returns. These strategies require property management skills but can provide a stable income. Real estate investing is a diverse field with a strategy to suit every investor. Whether it's the quick turnaround of fix and flip, the long-term benefits of buy and hold, the flexibility of wholesale real estate, or the steady income of cash flow rental properties and short-term rentals, there's something for everyone. Remember, the key is thorough research, careful risk assessment, and aligning your investment strategy with your personal goals. Armed with this knowledge, you're now one step closer to making your real estate investing dreams a reality.